Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be unboxing the Ultimate Taylor Swift fan package. So it has like a bunch of different stuff. I got this at Barnes & Noble, so if you're wondering where to pick one up, that's where I got it. And let's get into the video. So this pack, it says it comes with one I guess double-sided poster. That would be what the picture would look like, but we'll look on the inside. 2 art cards and 4 postcards and a sticker sheet at the bottom, and then of course the magazine. So let's get into it. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you would like, if you enjoy this Taylor Swift content, because I do. So let's open this. Okay, let's see. Is that everything? Yep. Okay. So let's see. Okay, first is the art cards. So here's this one. Can you see? There you go. It's Lover, Taylor. I love this one. I feel like that's like my favorite areas, Lover and Midnights, like for like the outfits. So that one's cool. And then our second one, the next one is the 4 photo cards. So let's see here. There's this one, Reputation, Midnights, a green dress, and then another Lover one again. What is she wearing in this one? Oh, that one's the, oh, that one's cool. That one's, I think, the pink outfit. So that's cool. So yeah, these are individual 4 cards. They have like the perforations, but I'd probably just display them as a one card. So there's that one. Okay, now it looks like it's the double-sided poster, which might be a little tricky. We're gonna try our best. Where's she at? Okay, hold on. Looks like it's Lover era, and then what you call it on the other side. You see her? There we go. Yeah, it's just, okay. Yeah, it's really big, a big poster. And then on the other side, without ripping, it is this one. The one she went to the Beyonce Renaissance tour, like movie. The silver dress, which is really pretty too. And let's see if I can figure out how to refold this. So, yeah, no, those are really nice. They're really big posters, so that's cool. Alright, right now we're just gonna do like a little trifold. There we go. Okay, and then, another art card. Speak Now era. This dress. That one's really pretty too. And then the sticker sheet has these on it. So there you go, look closer. So those are cool too. And then the magazine. So how well do you know Taylor? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. So we're just gonna skim through here. Oh, this is one of my favorite outfits she's ever done. I love the hair, I love the dress, I just love everything about this outfit. So pretty. So we have that. More Lover era. And that one's cool too. Okay. Early baby Taylor. Articles, early life. Let's see. More Taylor. Okay. This one. Quick scan through. Her meeting Keith Urban, Nicole Kidman. I guess these are all the music that inspired Taylor. Nicki Minaj, Dolly, and Eminem. this one? Where's she at? There she is. Was that the Richard? I thought it was that one performance. Oh, I love that outfit too. I don't know, she always does great with the outfits. I love young Taylor with the curly hair. We all want her to bring the curly hair back. There she is with Miley. Let's see, maybe we can do it like a skim through. Alright, there you go. This is a bigger magazine than I. There she is again. Maybe I'll angle you in a different angle. Hold on, it's like. Where? There we go. Maybe that will work a little better for us. So I can just do the skin there. Kanye debacle. Katy Perry and Travis. Speak Now. I can't tell what this is. Still Speak Now. Toy up. There you go. The bottom. $19.89. One of my favorite albums is that one. Let me do the crease here. There we go. Reputation, another good era. I love like Dark Taylor. Like I love how there's many sides to Taylor. Dark Taylor, Happy Taylor, Lover album Taylor, you know. Red. There we go. Ed Sheeran, Taylor, still in the red era. I think we're all through there. It's 1989 again. Taylor was this All Too Well. Yeah. That one's cool too. Oh, this is another favorite outfit. I like the hood. Hold on, let me do a quick crease. And I like this pack. They have many different versions I've seen. I've had a couple versions, so this isn't like the only one. But there we go. That was on the sticker sheet. This outfit up in the corner there. That's cool. Reputation album. More Reputation. That was my first Taylor concert, was Reputation. So, but 1989 was the first album I actually like listened to all the way from beginning to end. Before then I only had like bits and pieces of Taylor, but now I'm a Taylor fan. Swiftie. This was not maybe a couple months ago. Selena, Taylor, Brittany Mahomes, Gigi up here. So that's cool when they're out. I remember seeing that picture pop up on social media. Time. I'm having trouble turning the next page. Okay, who are we here? Halsey and Taylor and and Jennifer Hudson, I think it is. And Taylor down in the corner. Okay. Taylor and Lover at Panic at the Disco. That's another one of my favorite outfits down there in the corner. But yeah, Lover's another good album. It's another Era I love. Her and a kitty. So cute. Oh, there you go. Aw. Cats. That was not the perfect movie for Taylor, it's Cats. Taylor's perfect movie for her to play a role in. More cats. Another Dress I Love outfit from Taylor over the years. See Folklore. Gonna hold on one sec. The magazine, there we go. Folklore. There's another pictures again. Taylor, another outfit I love. The little two-piece set, the blue set. Was it's Evermore. The Cabin, that's another good. There's the quiz, all her awards. Love that hairstyle. Let's see where we're at here still. Yeah. Yep. Another outfit, I love that outfit. The whole crystal outfit. It's one of my favorites. All Too Well. There we go. Oh, she is down there. Almost there, you guys. She's Midnights. And there's our Taylor. Okay. Here's a better look at the sparkly outfit. And I also love this outfit too, like the Reputation vibe. That's another good outfit. Alright, green dress. Eras Tour premiere. Movie, the features. Red. Reputation. Travis and Taylor. I was at the Royals here. There we go. Right there. William. Christmas. Where's this? The Today Show, probably, right? Yeah. Let's see. The NBC News Today show in November of 2007. Yeah, Taylor curly hair. It's a thing. I love the curly hair. Love her. And there we go. Her in the all Versace outfit. Another good outfit. And some Celeste. One Family. There is the movie. Yep. What is this one? A Reputation. I remember that. So another outfit I love, like 1989-esque outfit. All the Moon Man's MTV. Almost to the end, the last few pages. 1989, the original outfits for the tour. Now she got the new ones. It's the, pink one. Here's the red arrow, the cloak. Red time. That's another pretty outfit too. And let's see here. I guess magazine subscriptions. There we go. And Lover again. More Lover. And there we go. I think when she has what, Midnights. Which is anything. This is what you call it section. So there we go, Midnights again with the little cutouts. And then the back. Yeah, and again the front. So that's what comes in this pack, the magazine. Sticker sheet, couple photo cards, the big poster. Yeah. Okay, that was the second photo card. Here we go. The Lover one again. And then the little 4 postcards. So yeah, they have many other, where are you at? There you guys are. They have many other like variants. Oh God, I'm just gonna hold you like this. They have many other different versions of this packet. So there's different ones. I've seen one Taylor for President. I've had another version like this, but it had like a red era picture on it. So there's that. So yeah, so if you like this video, hopefully it was helpful. I do have another Taylor video on this channel, CD unboxing, The Tortured Poet. And yeah, look forward to other Taylor things because there's a couple other things I have in mind to film. So I guess till then, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See ya.